Alright, so I'm here to explain the difference between raw hair and virgin hair. Raw hair and virgin hair. It's really pretty much they're all human hair, supposedly, but they're supposed to be all human hair. Raw hair just technically means that it's cut from someone's hair. It's unprocessed. There are no chemicals added. Some people say there's no steam added. Some people say steam is not a chemical. So I guess it all depends. You can probably find out from the manufacturer what raw hair is. But nowadays, this raw hair is all types of stuff going on with it. Maybe 20 years ago, raw hair was like cut from the person, directly shipped out. But these raw hair companies are selling tightly coiled hair for their origin of whatever the country they're from, and predominantly those people don't have that hair texture. So I don't know how you get curly Burmese hair if everybody's hair is bone straight. So they had to have some type of processing to do it. I'm not saying it's chemical processing, but there had to have been some type of processing, whether you curled it, steam curled it, I don't know, kind of iron curled it, whatever curled it. And then you have like the virgin hair. So the virgin hair, that's definitely processed because they have to get those tight coily coils because wherever they're getting this hair from, it's not this curly. Alright, so they have to get it to that curly. They have to get it to the certain type of wave pattern you like. They have to get it bone straight because maybe not everybody's hair is bone straight, but some people's hair is bone straight. So they probably get those type of origins for bone straight hair. And in terms of like the luster, so if you get straight, right? If you compare depending where you get it from, I'm noticing that Indian hair is a little bit lower luster than some other parts of raw, but the virgin hair has more of a shine to it. It's not like bright shine like plastic, but it does have like a shine when you iron it, or press it out, I should say. So in terms of like the quality of hair, I would say raw hair will last you. Now you have some crappy raw hair companies, so you have to be careful of where you're going to get the raw hair from. And you have some great, just plain virgin hair companies that the hair will last a few years. But personally, I think that the raw hair will last a lot longer because it's from somebody's head, and if they've been taking care of their hair, and if you take care of the hair like it's your hair, then you could really make it last longer. It's like your hair. You know, you might have to trim it every once in a while if you see split ends so it doesn't start to fray all the way up. Definitely deep condition it all the time. Wash shampoo and condition it consistently. Yeah, take care of it. It's like, you know, hair. And it's real people's hair, so you want to make sure it's like kind of your hair, you know, and you paid for it, so it is your hair. So, and the other thing I would say in terms of raw and virgin, it's also a preference. Now, raw hair does get a lot frizzier. Oh my gosh, it bunches up, it gets frizzy, it's like kinky curly, but it's like more natural frizz. Like, it's not like, whoo, it's more like, whoo. Alright, sorry if you saw my nail. I'm gonna fix that. But you already know some places still closed. But I managed to do it my own. Sidebar. So, what you need to do is, you know, press it out, try to like put some type of frizz ease or type of frizz solution, anti-frizz solution in your hair. Hopefully it'll last. But yeah, just know hairspray works. So use some hairspray. Just use some type of something to put on your hair that will keep it from frizzing up. So whatever you would get, serum, spray, spritz, whatever you want to use that you feel comfortable, but don't put a lot because you don't want to weigh the hair down. Even in just regular virgin hair or regular raw hair, you don't want to weigh hair down, whether it's your hair or any of that stuff. So, and to also, I believe that raw hair is pretty much, people like it for different reasons. Some people just like straight hair because, virgin hair because it's straight to the point. It doesn't frizz up. It's easier. It's softer. It has more luster to it, you know. And some people like raw hair because it just looks natural. It looks more natural. It can blend in with natural hair a lot more, especially when it's pressed out. And they like that extra fullness of the hair and maybe that natural kind of feel. And they like the way the curls look when it's just bouncy, and they just like Indian raw hair, which it does last better, and you could feel the difference. And it looks like it's natural people's hair because it has a natural wave pattern. And every raw bundle is supposed to be from someone's hair, so it's not going to be the same, which makes sense because everybody doesn't have the same wave pattern. And from the virgin hair, it pretty much can be the same wave pattern. because they're processing it themselves, so they design the wave pattern. So that's how you also tell which is raw, which is not raw, because like raw hair doesn't come in body wave. There's really like 3 kind of raw hairs, and it is straight, wavy, and curly. Sometimes they have curly, which I think is processed, but probably steam processed, and then they have wavy curly, but which looks like wavy. So it all depends on the company. However, I must say, for me personally, my preference is raw hair, 100% raw hair, and I am going to start soon offering raw hair. But I do have wigs that is raw wigs, but in terms of like extensions and stuff. However, I just want to know what you all think, so comment below. If you're familiar with my page, let me know too. And just DM me, let me know what you think. And I hope this was informative. I hope you got something out of this. It was very quick, I know, but there's really not much to it. One is raw, one is not. They're both supposed to be virgin hair. They're both supposed to be real human hair. They're both supposed to be able to color, bleach, dye, lift, do everything. You could cut it, everything, wash it, swim in it, you know, bathe in it if you want. I wouldn't recommend that because you just need to dry it so your hair won't get moldy. But I hope, again, this was good. Let me know below. Subscribe, comment, and like. Alright, till next time. Later.